His staff is wonderful. He treats you and makes you very comfortable while you're here. I have never been in pain once coming to see him. He cares very much about the comfort of his patients. And he's a true artist at what he does. I don't think that my teeth look like they've been worked on at all. So I'm very happy with it.
Well, I came in to see Dr. Simone upon the request of my regular dentist, and he made some suggestions to me that at the time I felt, gee, I'm almost 65 years old. I don't know if this is something that would benefit me at this stage in my life. And then I made the decision after a few days that this is something that I wanted to do. And what I found that it did, it's helped me in my career, my confidence. My husband has noticed that my smile is more prevalent nowadays. I'm not hiding my teeth. And I think I relate better having that confidence in my workplace and in my social life. All I can say, it's made a profound difference that I couldn't have imagined. I was looking at it in dollars and cents, and really it is not something you can look at that way. It makes such a difference in the way that you present yourself to other people. And I think it was sort of an inspiration to a lot of my friends too, that sort of felt like their appearance didn't make any difference after you're a senior citizen, because it really does. It makes me feel more youthful. It's more than about teeth.
I've been to many dentists. I had this consulted many times. This was actually the third dentist I went to. I was going to fly home to Pennsylvania and have this done. It would have, of course, been very expensive to fly out there to go back to my old dentist. And I came in with Dr. Simone, and I talked to Chris the very first time. And she wasn't pressuring, and she told me to come in to consult with Dr. Simone. And I thought, well, this is going to be expensive, and he's going to charge me. The first visit was free. He took tons of time with me. He went over, told me exactly what I would look like after. And the dentist I had before, this one was a specialist, and he was afraid. He canceled it the day before because he told me that it wouldn't stay and that my teeth would chip, because I needed 5 millimeters put on my teeth to bring them back to the natural state. I went to pharmacy school and I was grinding, and when I came here, Dr. Simone told me that I needed to wear a night bite every night, but that he would make them stick and they would not break. And it's been 2 years since I've had it done, and they're beautiful, and I just love them, and they've increased my confidence. I'm a pharmacist, so I'm constantly talking to people, and they look at you. They look at your face, they look at your teeth, they look at your hands, and that instills confidence in what I'm doing into them. Dr. Simone made me feel relaxed at all points. I hate any kind of procedure. I hate getting my teeth cleaned. I just got my teeth cleaned yesterday, and I almost need a Xanax to do that. But he made it so nice, so comfortable. They explained everything before and after. The staff stayed with me. I knew what was going on. I knew up front how much it would cost, what was going to be done, and I would have paid 5 times the amount to have it done. And I would have it done again in a heartbeat.
I came across Dr. Simone's practice a couple of years ago, and I have been absolutely thrilled with the quality of the service, the friendliness, the great consultation that this entire practice has offered me and my family. I have some porcelains on my forefront teeth that the doctor put in a couple of years ago. And Dr. Simone gave me a great smile all over again, and I'm so grateful for it. The quality, the professionalism, and as I said, the friendliness of the entire practice is just genuine, and it happens every single time that my wife and I and my children come here. We couldn't be more pleased. They offer value, but focus on the quality first. Great listeners. They seek out what results we're seeking, and we're so grateful for that. And in addition to that, the friendship and camaraderie that exists here are something that both Lynn and I purely relish. So we want to thank Dr. Simone and his entire staff for letting us be patients here with him.
My name is Barbara Darling, and I was referred to Dr. Simone's office by a very good friend of mine. I have had a lot of really bad dental experiences, and as most people probably have had, a lot of bad doctor's office experiences. And I would recommend Dr. Simone's office to anybody who has had to sit and wait for more than 10 minutes for any appointment they've ever been to. Because contrary to most doctor or dentist or medical offices, at Dr. Simone's office you do not have to wait, and that is a very pleasant thing. For anybody who's had a bad experience, either that's left over from childhood or anything like that, he is a very caring, kind person and wants to make sure that you have a good experience at the dentist, which is also a very pleasant thing. I had had a lot of dental work done and still did not have people recognizing that, and I wanted to have a smile that people noticed, and now I do.